Hello everyone! Today we will introduce motorcycle dash camera installation. First, remove the parts on the motorcycle that affect our wiring, such as sails on two sides, fuel tank cover. Take out the host. Install and fix with a specific bracket in the accessories bag. Install the bracket and the host firmly on the handle empty space. Adjust to the correct angle and tighten the screws. Secure the cable with ribbons. Take out review camera. Install in the right place. Arrange the connecting wire to the appropriate place. Install the front camera. Organize the wiring. The cable can be passed through the front of the motorcycle. Take out the power cable. Tighten the connection between the red terminal connector and the red power interface on the record host. There are two other connecting wires on the main host. Connect the front and rear camera cables separately according to the above methods. The connection terminal has waterproof and anti-oxidation ability. After the connection is completed, organize the cables. You can refer to this connection method to organize and fix the ribbons. The red wire on the power cable can be connected to the ACC cable of the motorcycle. It will automatically activate the recorder when the motorcycle starts. Connect the yellow wire of the power cord to the positive terminal of the motorcycle's battery. Connect the black wire of the power cord to the negative terminal of the motorcycle's battery. Start the motorcycle to test whether the recorder is normally powered on. If the recorder is working normally, you can install the fuel tank cover, just the remote and the shells on both sides. Install the cushion. Now take out the Bluetooth remote control. Find the right accessories from the accessories bag to fix the Bluetooth remote. Install on the handle on the right place. Now the installation is complete.